Hey everyone! Welcome back to the Friendly English Learning Podcast. I'm Emma.
And I'm Noah. We're super happy you're here with us today.
Yes, and before we start, please don't forget to like this episode, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment telling us where you're listening from.
It really helps the podcast grow. Okay, ready, Emma?
Always ready. Let's get started.
Hello to all our amazing listeners. Yes, please follow our podcast so you don't miss the next episodes. We love having you here with us.
Today we have a very simple and useful topic. We're talking about daily routines, things we do every day. This is great for beginners because these words are very common in English.
Exactly. Everyone has a routine. Even if it's different, we all wake up, eat, go places, and do activities. So this is perfect for practice.
So Noah, let's start with a very easy question. What time do you wake up?
Well, I usually wake up at 6:30 in the morning. It's a little early, I know, but I like starting my day slowly. And you, Emma, what time do you wake up?
I wake up a little later than you. I usually wake up at 7. I need a few extra minutes of sleep. When I wake up, I sit on my bed, stretch a little, and then I go to the kitchen.
And what do you do in the kitchen?
First thing, I make coffee. I love coffee in the morning. It helps me wake up and feel ready for the day. What about you? Do you drink coffee?
Actually, no. I don't like coffee very much. I prefer tea in the morning. So I make a cup of tea, and then I prepare my breakfast.
Oh, that's nice. Many people love tea in the morning. What do you eat for breakfast?
I usually eat something simple. Maybe toast with butter or eggs. Sometimes I have fruit. And you?
I enjoy eating fruit too. I like to eat a banana or an apple with my coffee. It's fast and easy.
Listeners, notice these useful phrases. I wake up at. I drink coffee. I eat breakfast. Very simple and very important.
Yes, and don't forget, if you like our podcast, please share it with your friends. Learning with a friend is always more fun.
Now, after breakfast, what do you do, Emma?
After I eat, I take a shower and get dressed. Then I brush my hair, brush my teeth, and get ready for work.
Nice. My routine is similar, but I do something extra. After my shower, I like to read for 10 minutes. It helps my mind focus.
That's a good idea. Reading in the morning is very calm and relaxing.
Yes, it is. And after that, I leave my house and go to work.
Do you walk to work or do you take a bus?
I usually walk. I enjoy walking in the morning because the air is fresh and the streets are quiet. Walking helps me think.
I like walking too, but my work is a little far, so I take the bus. It takes about 20 minutes to get there.
Do you listen to something on the bus?
Yes, I always listen to music or a podcast, just like this one.
Great. Listeners, this is a good idea for you too. When you are on the bus, at home, or doing something simple, you can listen to English. It's a great way to learn.
Exactly. Now, Noah, let's talk about what we do during the day. When you arrive at work, what do you do first?
When I arrive, I turn on my computer and check my emails. I read messages from coworkers and see what I need to do.
Yes. Emails are part of everyone's day now. After I arrive at work, I usually talk to my students or prepare my lessons.
Do you like your mornings at work?
Yes, I do. Mornings are busy, but I like helping people learn English.
That's great. I like mornings too, because I feel more energetic.
Now, let's talk about lunch. Noah, what time do you usually eat lunch?
Usually around 12:30. I like eating something warm, like soup or rice with vegetables. And you?
I eat lunch a little later, around 1. Sometimes I bring food from home, and sometimes I eat at a cafe.
Nice. After lunch, I go back to work. In the afternoon, I feel a little tired, but I drink water and continue working.
Afternoons can be slow. Many people feel tired after lunch, but that's normal.
Yes. And listeners, if you are enjoying this episode, please follow our podcast now. It really supports our work and helps us continue making episodes like this.
Now, after work, I go home. What about you, Noah? Do you go straight home after work?
Sometimes yes, sometimes no. 2 days a week, I stop at the gym. I like to exercise a little because it makes me feel strong and healthy.
That's good. I don't go to the gym, but I like walking in the evening or doing light stretching at home.
Evening routines are important. After exercise, I go home, take a shower, and start cooking dinner.
I also cook dinner at home. I don't cook very fancy things, but I enjoy making simple meals. Rice, chicken, pasta, vegetables.
Simple food can be delicious, and cooking at home is healthier too.
After dinner, I relax. Sometimes I watch a TV series or listen to music. Sometimes I just sit on my sofa and enjoy some quiet time.
I like watching something too. And sometimes I call my family to talk a little before bed.
Aw, that's sweet. Family time is important.
Yes, it is. And then around 10:30, I go to bed.
I go to bed a little earlier, around 10. I need my beauty sleep.
Yes, sleep is very important. And that is our daily routine.
Before we end this part, please share this episode with someone who is learning English. It helps so much, and it also helps them practice.
Thank you for listening. Stay with us for the next part of the episode. We will continue with more simple English and more natural conversation.
See you in the next part. And remember, keep practicing every day.
So, Emma, how was your morning today? Anything fun?
Honestly, not really. I woke up late again. I heard my alarm, but my brain said, no thank you.
Ah, classic Emma moment. Did you at least have breakfast?
Yes, I made pancakes. Very simple pancakes, because I can't cook anything complicated.
But pancakes are good. I like pancakes, so that is a great start to the day.
True. And what about you? How was your morning?
My morning was calm. I drank coffee, checked my messages, and listened to some music. Nothing crazy.
Sounds nice. And by the way, if you're listening right now, remember to follow the Friendly English Learning Podcast so you don't miss new episodes.
Yes, and share it with a friend who's learning English. It really helps our podcast grow.
Okay, back to today's topic, daily life stories. We love these because they're simple, they're real, and they help you learn English naturally.
Exactly. And honestly, funny daily stories are the best. Everyone has at least one.
Oh, speaking of funny, I have a story from yesterday.
Oh no, here we go. What happened this time?
I was walking to the store, right? And I saw a cat sitting on a bench. Very cute. So I said, "Hi," and waved at the cat.
You waved at a cat?
Yes! And the cat looked at me like, "Excuse me? Who are you?"
That is the most Emma thing ever.
I know, but it made my day.
So, Emma, let me ask you something. Did you have a crazy morning today, too? Because I woke up late again. I think my alarm hates me.
Your alarm doesn't hate you, Noah. You just love sleeping too much. But yes, my morning was busy too. I made coffee, dropped my phone, spilled the coffee, and, well, good morning to me.
Wow, that sounds fun.
Not at all. But speaking of mornings, guys, Remember, if you're enjoying this episode of Friendly English Learning, hit the follow button. It helps us so much.
Yes, please do. And share it with a friend who wants to practice English too. Learning together is always better.
True. And Noah, tell me, what did you do after your late wake up?
Okay, don't laugh. I ran to the kitchen, made toast, but the toast burned. Very burned. Like, call the fire department burned.
Noah, how do you always burn toast?
I don't know. Maybe I need toast classes.
Toast classes? I would love to see your teacher. Noah, today we learn step 1. Don't burn the toast.
That would actually help me. But really, everyone listening, remember you can pause the episode anytime and repeat parts to practice your listening. Slow learning is good learning.
Yes, and don't be afraid to replay the funny parts. We laugh a lot here, so maybe it helps your English too.
For sure. And Emma, what about your day after the coffee disaster?
Well, after that, I took a little walk outside. The weather was really nice, and walks always help me relax.
Same. Walking is like a reset button. Fresh air, quiet mind. I love it.
And it's also a great chance to think in English. Even simple things like, I am walking, the sky is blue, I feel good. It helps a lot.
Yes, thinking in English is powerful. And you can start with small ideas. No stress.
Exactly. Oh, and before we continue, don't forget to follow Friendly English Learning. It keeps our podcast growing and makes more episodes possible.
Yes. Do it now. Yeah, I was so embarrassed. I was walking, thinking about my sandwich, and then boom, I just fell.
Oh no, did people see you?
Yes, everyone. I think even the birds were laughing at me.
Poor Noah. But hey, at least you got a good story for the podcast today. And guys, if you're enjoying this episode so far, don't forget to follow the Friendly English Learning podcast so you don't miss our next stories.
Yes, please do it. We love having you here with us. Okay, Emma, now tell your funny moment. You promised.
Oh no. Okay. So last weekend, I went to the supermarket, right?
Good start. Supermarkets always bring chaos.
Exactly. I wanted to buy some fruit. Easy, right? But I saw this big, beautiful pineapple. Huge, like king of pineapples.
A royal pineapple?
Yes. So I picked it up, but it was very heavy. And then it slipped from my hands, and then it rolled across the floor like a bowling ball.
No!
Yes, it rolled and hit a stack of oranges, and then boom, all the oranges fell everywhere. Everywhere. The floor became Orange World.
Oh, no. Did you run?
No, I said, I'm so sorry about 2,000 times. Then I helped them pick everything up.
Honestly, Emma, this is amazing content. Thank you for your sacrifice.
You're welcome. I do it for the podcast. And guys, remember, if you like these stories and want more simple English like this, share this episode with someone who is learning too.
Yes, sharing helps our podcast grow a lot.
And wow, Noah, today was a fun episode.
I feel like we talked about everything. Daily life, funny moments, and learning English in a simple way.
Yeah, I loved it. And I hope you listening at home enjoyed it too. We always love being here with you.
Yes, really. And remember, the best way to improve your English is to practice a little every day. Even small things help a lot.
Exactly. And if you enjoyed this episode, we would be super happy if you could follow the podcast, leave a like, and share it with a friend. It supports our work so much and helps the podcast grow.
Before we go, let me give you a little teaser.
Next episode is going to be very fun because we'll talk about embarrassing stories. Yes, real ones. And of course, easy English for learning.
Oh no, I already know I'm going to be embarrassed again. But yes, don't miss it. It's going to be great.
Thank you so much for being with us today. Really, we are very happy that you choose to learn English with us. Don't forget to follow the Friendly English Learning Podcast. Like the episode and share it with someone who wants to learn English. And come back for the next episode. It will be super fun.
You are amazing. Keep practicing, keep listening, and keep going.
See you next time. Bye.
Bye.